Hey guys, Anthony here. This is actually a talking photo that I created using one of my photos with the TalkingPhotos AI app. It's a new version 3 update which has been greatly improved, and I'm actually using my real voice for this specific voiceover in this video clip. And here is a 3D cartoon version of me. Again, it was generated using my real photo and converted into a 3D cartoon version of me. In this video clip, I used text-to-speech for my voiceover using one of my cloned voices.
And here is another human talking photo that was created using a female character. The voiceover was created using text-to-speech of one of the female voices.
And here is an animal talking photo that was created using a giant panda image. With the new version, you can create animal talking photos with much more body movements and gestures, as you can see. But that is not all. Check out the next video clip, which is a singing photo.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.